So, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to share with you my experience at a YouTube program that I attended yesterday. You can see the details here. It was a very laudable one. It was interactive. It was engaging. I was invited as the resource person to handle a section. The section is about YouTube for business, YouTube for marketing, where I had to, bring people up to speed with the use of YouTube, setting up a YouTube channel and interacting with the audience. It was interesting because some of the participants ended up creating their own content using different, placements, background, location to create their content and upload. When you upload your first content, your first creative on the day that you are introduced to a platform, you feel like yes, it's worth it. So I'm now going to share with you what are my experiences and what I would want you to take home as an advice from this encounter, from this experience, from this event. I met somebody who, while we were discussing, we looked at how can that be used to improve their business. And the discussion was like, okay, I don't think I really have time for this. I don't think this will help me grow my business. I'm into fridge repairs, sales, and what have you. There's deep freezers, different fridge types, and what have you. So in our discussion, I just told him that I had an encounter with a friend, who happens to be a mechanic, like automobile engineer, a mechanic, and I told him what I'm going to tell the discussants yesterday. I now refer to what I said. So I said that to somebody else, and I was saying it yesterday to this person, saying that your business, your service can come online, provided you are willing, you are okay by telling the world what you do. So the encounter is just like you have gotten a deep freezer or a fridge or whatsoever the tools that you really want to repair, and you are willing to say, okay, take a video of me doing this job at the beginning, in the middle, and at the end, and you repair the system. The fridge is okay, just like I told the automobile engineer that when a client come to you with a problem that my car has this fault, has this error, and you are willing to say, okay, let me just do a recording and let me walk you through, and I did finish the work. You really develop and deliver a good result. You want to record the encounter, the experience at the time the vehicle came to your your garage or your workstation, and what you discover, what you did. You may just give one or two tips to what can be wrong and how you can detect that. And at the end of the day, you have actually created a content. This content can start going viral because people will be coming to you with various vehicles, and over the period of time you have different vehicles, different environment, different situation, and you just be creating your content, and that is something you can start posting on social media platforms, on your YouTube channel, that will be available therein for a very long time, and so many people will still have no other reason but to make friends and recourse to you, to appreciate you, probably to give you a job or to work with you or even consult you or even will want to learn from you. There are a lot of opportunities that will come out from the fact that you are willing to share a part of your knowledge to the world. So we had this discussion. It was interesting. He actually saw what I'm saying from a very good perspective. Oh, this is a very interesting route for him to explore and see how far that creative contents and whatever you can really help his business grow. And the event was very laudable. We had different people, we had different experiences. Some participants actually had their YouTube channel, so we subscribe, we follow each other, we ask questions, and some people really just add it as, wow, this is added value. Okay, this is a life changer. And so many youngsters that really feel like, yes, I'm going on this route, I'm going on this path where I want to be a content creator, I want to share my experience, I want to add value to some people. And it's not going to be like get rich quick of a thing. You have to come to the public, you have to be known for whatsoever you offer, and these and so many other reasons that will make your effort becomes valuable to your audience. So kindly put in the comments what topic you would want us to discuss, and if you have any recommendation from me, please, I really appreciate this. I will learn, I will like follow from the recommendations, so you can put them in the comment section. And please guys, you should just hit the subscribe button, doing me the favor of being part of my community. If you want us to do any collaboration, please be free to approach me. We are trying to build a bigger network. My name is Petugamo. I'm a web developer and a digital marketer, and I say thank you and all the best. Bye for now.